Hello, zbiħti għaj, jena misġula u għek nitalmu nħedu għos fl-imkien. Jek edin tiħdu għos dan il-channel, tinsewx tafsu subscribe kif ukoll tistaw tafsu dik il-buttuna li għanda għampina tażlu all biex intom kull darba li jena ntella video ġdid intom tkunu tafu, ok? YouTube jamlilkom ting misġuli tellat video ieħor. U nibdew illum bl-istorja għandi preparata għalikom illum, l-istorja hija bl-Ingliż u relatata mal-Eid. U din jisima Easter Puppy Parade. The stories by Janet Lawler, illustrations by Irene Chan, and paper engineering by Renee Jablow. Oh, it's a very beautiful book, children, and it is published by Jumping Jack. I have a good feeling that you would love this story, especially this book because it's a pop-up book. Shall we start? Easter Bunny busted about his burrow. He dipped, dried, and decorated eggs. Ears waggling and whiskers twitching, he packed his basket to the brim. "I'll deliver these tomorrow," he said. "Look how cute he is." Beautiful, is it, children? Early on Easter morning, he grabbed the basket and bounded out. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity. He hurried along, taking extra big hops. Hop, hop, hop. Hippity hoppity, flop. Oh no, he wailed. "I lost my eggs. Look, he's going to fall." Whoop. Poor bunny. Dutch hound dashed over. "I help! I help!" He sniffled along until he found an egg amongst the flour. Look, children. You see? He found an egg. Chihuahua chased one rolling down the hill. Look, there's one rolling down the hill. Can you see it? Yip, yip, she yelled and rolled it back up. Saint Bernard, this cute big dog right here, lumbered by the barn. He lifted an egg that lay buried in a bucket. Look, children, so there's an egg in here. You see? Maltese, this dog is a Maltese, shimmied under a shrub. What did she find? "Look what I found!" She cradled it gently and joined the others. I love this book because I like the colors, I like that it's pop-up and interactive, and I love that it's about dogs. I love dogs. You know I like dogs, don't you? Poodle paddled into the pond and nudge. Can you see the poodle? There it is. One of a lily pad. "I'll bring this back." Look, can you see? Can you see? Look, she's going to swim. Wait for it. Can you see? She's swimming. Yellow lab stood, her paws high on a tree trunk. Can you see? She's standing up like that. "Here's another," she woofed, wiggling her tail. Can you see her wiggling her tail? Easter Bunny thanked his friends. He frowned at his broken basket. How will I carry the eggs? He wondered. We'll carry them for you, the puppies barked. Look, they're carrying the eggs. Can you see, children? How helpful they are. Easter Bunny smiled. Then he led the way, cheering, "Hooray! For the Easter Puppy Parade! Happy, happy Easter! And happy Easter to you too, children." Tfal, nerġa' nfakkarkom, jekk qegħdin tieħdu pjaċir tisimgħu dawn l-istejjer, jiena ħanibda ntella qisu darba f'ġimgħa jew darbtejn f'ġimgħa, għada naħseb intella oħra tal-Easter jekk tridu, jekk tridu ntella oħra fil-każ tfal, għamlu like ħalina nkun naf. Okay? U tfal, sakemm tistennew li jiena ntella video ġdid, araw anki dawn il-videos l-oħrajn li għandi mtellajn fiċ-ċannel. U nixtieq ilkom lejt it-tajjeb. Bye tfal.